Whoa, whoa, guys! Finally, we get some breakfast. Whoa, whoa, guys! You know what? Let's eat together. Whoa! Where I'm gonna start? Let me start here. Look at that. Wow. Whoa! No. That's nice, man. Wow. Wow. I like that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of stuff coming out, man. Looking at that. Whoa. Wow. That is a nice meal, man. But that's not a meal. Because I went down and I picked a lot of stuff. Yeah, I picked a lot of stuff, man. And they're not expensive, man. I paid like $15 for everything. They're very cheap, man. You know that. McDonald's, baby. Wow. I'm not having a good time. Guys, I'm having a good time. They call that biscuit sausage. This is the biscuit, this is the biscuit, this is the sausage. All together, biscuit sausage. That's what they call them. The reason why I don't give you a lot of details, people never come in me and ask me the details. That's why I don't tell you everything about the food. Cause you never come in, you know what I'm saying? Just come in and ask me questions. Cause I know everything about the food. When I was young, I used to work for McDonald's. You know, I know everything about the food. I know how to make the food too. So I eat what I know, you know what I'm saying? So guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? I think I have enough, man. I have to feed the bird. Alright, let me have some. Damn, I'm full already, though. All the meat. Yeah, I have to feed the bird. They're eating it. Look at that. This is grapes, I believe. Yeah, this is grapes. Let me see how it tastes like stuff though. Dry grapes. Very dry though. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of, look at how beautiful it is. Look at that. See how beautiful it is. All I'm gonna do, look. See? Yeah. Let me see. I think Haitian can do it better though. Can do it better. Yeah. If you want me to do it at home, I will do it at home. I'm gonna do it in my own style, not like McDonald's though. Yeah, I can do that at home, bro. I know how to do it. I'm gonna do it with milk. Yeah. They call that. Let me see. All milk. That's what they call it. Yeah, I can do that at home, bro. Yeah, I can do it at home. I think I can do it better than McDonald's though. Look. Wow. I'm full, y'all. I think I have enough now. I have enough food though. That was a lot. That shit's killing me. Shit, that shit is killing me, man. I eat too much. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out. I'm working hard for y'all guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm in the middle of nowhere. You see? I live in the countryside. I'm in the middle of nowhere. You know? They don't have that much going on in here. That's where I am. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the middle of nowhere. They don't have a lot of stuff going on in here. Guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. They will keep coming non-stop. Please comment to the channel. If you want me to change some of the stuff, just let me know. Comment to the channel, y'all, and I wish you a wonderful day, and I'm out. All right, bye-bye.